Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to wash your rice. So there's been a lot of arguments in my last video about whether you should or should not wash your rice. I'm sure if you guys actually did like a Google search, you could find, arguments that supports either side. So I'm going to be making some rice here. We got 1 cup, 2 cups. Okay, so after you have the right amount of cups that you want to put into your rice cooker, just bring it over to your sink, and what we're going to do is just fill up your pan here and just make sure all the rice is submerged. So as you can see, the rice is totally submerged in water, and we're just going to be swirling it around a little bit here. If you want to, you could use your hands to, just kind of mess with it, mix it up a little bit, but I'm just going to be swirling it around here. And as you can see, the water is now kind of cloudy. So after you do this for a little bit, just going to pour it out here. Okay, try getting as much of the water out as you can. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but as you can see, most of the water is out at this point. Okay, so in my last video, I talked about the ratio of 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water, so we're sticking with that. So I'm just gonna get, here we go, measuring cup. Okay, so I'm going to measure up 2 cups of water because we got 2 cups of rice. And if you want to find this measuring cup, I'll leave it in the comment section below if you want to get one of these. Okay, so as you can see, I have 2 cups of water for my 2 cups of rice. So just going to pour that in here. And I'm just going to make sure that every grain of rice is submerged. Get all the random little grains off the side there. Swirl around a little bit just to make sure it's nice and even, and after that, going to put it in the rice cooker. Again, just one more swirl, and there we go. Turn the rice cooker on. White rice, and that is how you wash your rice.